Hello students, the topic is what is a topology and what are the different categories of topology. Basically, a topology is a arrangement in which the computer devices or the nodes are interconnected with each other. There are some categories, different various categories of topology. We can say here are four given, but there is another fifth one topology. We will discuss it later. The first topology is mesh topology, second one is star topology, bus topology and ring topology. Then if we merge different topologies, we get another topology category, that is hybrid topology. So basically we are having the five categories of topologies. Now we will discuss every topology in detail. First we will discuss mesh topology. So we will move to the mesh topology. So here you can see that we are having five stations, nodes or five devices. These all the stations are interconnected with each other, right? So what is the formula to find out that how many connections we will be needing, or how many node or how many uh, connections must be made to generate this mesh topology or connection? So there is a formula that we will use to find out how many lines or connections we have to locate there. The formula is n minus 1 divided by 2. N here is the number of nodes. So here if we are having the 5 nodes over here, so the number of lines and communications we will get here is 10, right? So we'll have to make 10 communication lines. If you count these all the connections, you will get a sum of 10. So this is the formula. How can you find out that how many connections we have to made in order to use the mesh topology or to create a network. The next is star topology. You can see here there are 4 stations and all the stations are connected to the hub individually. So this is a star topology, the second category, right? So here this can be a communication line that is via which it is connected to the hub. This is the bus topology. Now you can see that we are having a one communication line and then at different points we are having stations, right? So this is about the bus topology. Bus topology is the most simpler one, as it is straight and horizontal communication line with different stations on it. So the next is a ring topology. You can see here the ring topology, that it is the stations are connected at various places, but the communication line is in the form of ring. So from the name of the topology, it is very clear that the communication lines must be in the form of a ring. Here you can see that at where the station is located, there is a node that is called repeater. So for what purpose we use this repeater? That this is the station. If we transmit the signal from here via this communication line, so if this signal reach here, it may lose its strength, right? So the signal may become weak. So this repeater, so you see this repeater at every node, at every station, this will re-strengthen that signal, right? So this is the purpose of using repeater at every station. Now as we discussed that we have another form of the topology, that is a hybrid topology. If we use different topologies together, this gives us a hybrid topology. Here we have used 3 bus topologies with 3 stations in one topology. So this is a hybrid topology. So this was all about the topologies.